Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the alternatives to the Articulate 360. So the first one is Active Presenter. So the Active Presenter is the most popular free alternative to Articulate Storyline. Now the free version allows users to create unlimited videos with no watermarks or time limits, so that's really good. Also, another thing is that the software comes with a significant learning curve and can be resource incentivized. Free edition is for trial and non-commercial use only. Outputs generated with non-free features will include a watermark. So it's really good for the alternative. Also, another one, create a shape and reuse interactive HTML content in your browser. So the H5P, so this is something that also is like interesting one that you can actually like check out. Open source, free to use, a powerful offering tool that has become increasingly popular, and it's like limited freedom what you can actually like do with it. Is liking sophisticated features found in more expensive programs, so it's kind of like limited but still good, and this is something that you can actually like use. And also the Adapt Learning, this is another one. So responsive learning offering tool that allows for the creation of courses that work across devices. So it's completely free, a built-in SCORM report, and allows you to use a community support library. The cons of it is that it requires technical expertise for setup Node.js and advanced customization. And you need to have a server, plus it requires you to be able to install and configure things like Git, Node.js, and MongoDB. And then Xlearning, your free and open source editor for interactive educational resources. So free open source tool that allows you to create digital resources with text, images, videos, and interactive activities. You can publish and share your content in different formats and platforms. So this is something that you can also try. Complete free and open source, but you got limited interactivity compared to Storyline and data interface. And then also you have the eCZ. This is kind of like the eCZ offer. So this is like intuitive cloud-based interface that feels very similar to Rise 360, where users assemble courses by selecting from a range of attractive, pre-designed interactive and layout blocks. So the output is professional, fully responsive, and easy to create without the deep design skills, and very easy to use. Beautiful templates produce modern responsive courses quickly. So these are the ones that I want to share with you. Have a great day and goodbye.